Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Now, today I'm so excited to film this, you guys have no idea. I am doing a no mirror makeup challenge, as you can tell by the title. So I have no mirror in front of me, even my viewfinder for my camera I have flipped upside down and kind of backwards. I still need to be able to see to make sure that the camera is still recording, so that's why I have it still kind of visible. But I honestly can't even see my face if I look at it. So I am looking straight into you guys right now, hoping you guys can help me with this challenge. I have all my makeup laid out, prepared, hopefully. So yeah, I suppose without further ado, let's just dive right in. So, okay. So the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. I honestly feel like most of this challenge is going to be easy. I know my face, I probably will be able to nail that part. Just because it's your face, you touch your face every day. I told myself I'm going to do eyeliner today. Bit nervous for that. But I figured let's make this a really hard challenge, and I'm going to be using the James Charles palette and using some very vibrant and colorful colors. So yeah, this will be a very interesting day. I'm using the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. I will probably be like looking at different places. I promise I'm not looking at a mirror. I'm literally trying to visualize what my face looks like right now. Just so it's like easier for me to maybe know where I'm putting it. I don't know. I need anything to help me. I'm using the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. Part of me is like, oh my god, I'm wasting my makeup. But this is gonna be such a good video. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. It's probably gonna be hilarious. Next, the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Gotta put this on. I'm not gonna use too much. Oh, and I just used too much. Okay. And I'm just gonna rub it. Obviously, primers are gonna be easier. Let's be honest. You know where your face is, so. First, I'm gonna put some chapstick on. Okay, this is actually kind of hard because I don't know where my lips are. Okay. Also, I picked up a darker foundation shade. As you can tell, I am tanning. So I'm still in the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, but I am in the shade Medium 2.5, but it's called Sahel. I don't know. I don't even know if that's now like picking up, but whatever. I love this shade. Great shade for me. Okay, using a damp beauty sponge. Oh my god, and usually I go on the right side. Why did I start on the left? Oh, this is a lot harder than I thought. And I like don't know if I'm getting it in my hair or close to my hairline. Oh my god. Oh god. I don't even know if this is blending in nicely. I honestly cannot wait to watch this tape over and honestly just see the final look of everything. I'm hoping I suck at this because obviously this wouldn't be funny if I rocked this challenge, but you know. Okay, I feel like my forehead's gonna be hard because I don't use a lot of product on my forehead. And obviously it's better to use a mirror to know if I'm getting it. Screw it. I think that's good enough. Even though I can't see. Oh, okay. Time for highlighting. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. Oh, why is this so difficult? This shouldn't be difficult. I like don't know if I'm gonna like go over my nose or I'm like looking at you guys. Hopefully you can like help me. No, it's okay. Well, I thought the face is gonna be way easier. This whole thing is probably gonna be difficult. I made predictions. I think that the best part is gonna be my face, which now I don't know, but anyway. And I think at least the top 2 worst things are gonna be my eyebrows and eyeshadow, obviously. I mean, that's the only thing that's left. If I had to get specific, I would say eyebrows and eyeliner. I mean, I already know I suck at eyeliner to begin with, so we both know it's gonna be bad anyway. I hate this. I like don't know where to look because I'm like trying to. Now that that's all blended, I think I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer again, but in the shade Amande. Oh my god, what if I get it in my hairline? Okay. Oh my god, my nose. Where's my cheek? Oh, I hate this. I'm so competitive too, like, I just want to do good. Oh my god, if I snatch my nose contour, or botch it. If I botch my nose contour, how'd I do, guys? Please tell me I did good. Okay, let's blend. See, in my mind, I'm like, oh, it's blended, but like darker shades are harder to blend, so all I know is it usually takes me a little bit to blend out my cheeks. So I think I just need to take more time than I think, you know? Because obviously if you just keep patting your face, it'll blend out. Please tell me that side is blended and done. Wow, makeup is not as fun when you can't see it because it's kind of boring. Just you realize you're literally patting your face for like 5 minutes and you don't know if you're making progress or not. Oh my god, I'm scared for my nose. I guess I will blend where I usually think I put it. I really hope that this is just a train wreck and you guys are just laughing because part of me is like, please tell me I'm not doing good. So this is funny. But another part of me is like, oh my god, I hope I nail this. Because honey, if you can do your makeup without a mirror, then you're set. You don't need a mirror in life. Let's set this face. DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder. You already know. I usually have to fix up my nose, so I guess I'll do that. Even if I don't know. Oh god, that was way too high. I can already tell. Oh my god, you guys. Comment below how I'm doing so far, please. I'm literally just going off of muscle memory and what I usually do. Oh my god. I'm really nervous to do my eyes. That's literally probably what I'm most nervous for. Like, my eyebrows are gonna be like botched, 100%. Okay, let's blend that off. I'm just using my 50F brush to, you know, brush away whatever I think is on my face. Bronzed. NARS Casino for my bronzer. Same 50F brush. Doing my neck. Now the 30F brush for my cheeks. I think I know where to place the brush because every time I do this I'll put my hand here and that's literally like right in line with where my cheekbone is since I'm holding back my hair. So thank god I have that in my muscle memory. Okay, I think that's good. Just go with it. Okay, for my nose, 55E brush. Oh god, I think I just went down the middle of my nose. That's great. I'm gonna die if I come out looking actually pretty good. How's that? I do good? Oh my god, I'm totally gonna overdo it on the blush. NARS Deep Throat with my stippler brush, 40F. I feel like I overdo it with blush anyway, so it's gonna happen now. Okay, I blend that out with my 50F brush. Highlight. MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish with the brush 28F. Oh no. Time for my nose contour. Okay, brush 05E. I want my Cupid's bow. And then my nose. My nose. Contouring or highlighting my nose. Nah, I'll do James Charles first. I should have asked you guys what kind of eye look you wanted me to do, because inner me wants to play it safe, but I should really just go all out. I'm gonna go in with the shade Playground, which is a really bright blue. I'm using my 35E brush. Like, look how blue that is. Can you see it? Oh my god, I don't even know. Like, this is literally all muscle memory, you guys. Don't even know. Like, I don't even, oh my god, I'm not even gonna know how my blending skills are. Oh, what if they just, like, suck? Next, 25E brush, I'm going to go into that same color and put it under my lid. I'm going to take the shade Brother and just pop that in my outer corner. Whatever I think is my outer corner. I hope this just turns out beautifully, you guys. Watch me be a better makeup artist without a mirror. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my 45E brush with the shade Cola. It's a really pretty blue, but I don't want too much of it, so I just want it on like the lower part. Hopefully that's where I'm putting it right now. I'm gonna blend that in. How am I doing, guys? Maybe eyeshadow won't be so bad. I feel like it's going. I mean, from what I can feel. Oh, by the way, I'm going in with a 25E Cola under my lash line, just to kind of, I guess, darken it up, because I'm guessing it was pretty light. I'm just gonna blend some more. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna take the shade Hello. I think I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner. Let's be daring. Instead of like creating like a cut crease effect with it, I kind of want to see like a pop color in my inner corner. Because usually I just do like a nude, like a silver. So I'm taking my 10F concealer brush and dipping that in there and just getting it wet. And trying not to put the brush directly on my eyeball. Oh god, I almost just poked my eye. Lord help me. I did it, I think. Boom. Okay, I don't want to do eyeliner. Do I have to do eyeliner? Like, what if I get it in my eye? I'm prepping like I'm about to look into something, but I'm not. Oh, I almost want to take a brush. Like, I need to know where I need to. Oh my god. I don't even. Oh, I might just leave it as one line. Does it look bad? God, let's hope not. concealing. It just looks like shit. God, I can't wait to look in the mirror. Oh, I'm anxious. I'm just gonna put some lipstick on real quick. It is the MAC Cream Cut lipstick I can do in my sleep. It is time for eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia at Beverly Hills pencil in the shade Ebony. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Oh. Oh my god, you guys. That's my biggest thing. I love good eyebrows. Like, that's one of the most important things in my makeup routine. It makes or breaks me, so let's see. I don't even know if there's a point in using Anastasia Clear Brow Gel right now, but guess I'm just gonna brush these bad boys up. And I'm not gonna be applying falsies today just because of the risk of getting glue in my eye. It's not safe, so not worth it. But so I will curl my lashes. Ow, without a mirror. Oh my god. Okay, that's good enough. I'm using the I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. And I'm not gonna set my face because obviously I'm gonna take this off right after. I mean, let's be real. So this is it, guys. Oh, how is it? I'm getting my mirror. Here it is. I'm kind of scared. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. I could work with this. I will say my face looks a little cakey. Probably just because of the foundation. Probably didn't know how much I was putting on. Especially my nose, I can tell it wasn't covered well. I mean, my eyeshadow's not that bad. I could make that work, you know? And my eyebrows, I mean, let's be real, those could be worse, right? Those could be way worse. At least, like, I literally even stayed within my, like, my brow. Like, I didn't even go out or weird. I'm proud of myself. Wow. Obviously, they're a little janked up, but that's fine. And, oh, my eyeliner. This one's pretty good. I could make that pass, but this one is not. It looks like a tree branch right now. And my blending is not good. But no, I've seen worse. I didn't know how today's video was gonna go. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. I'm so glad I got to do this fun video with you. Comment below what you think on a scale of 1 to 10 how well I did without using a mirror. I don't think it's that bad. So yeah, this has been a great day. I loved filming this with you, and I will see you guys in the next one.